Welcome back to Motorhead UK. Today we're going to fit a battery on the Ford Focus. It's a 2017, but pretty much from 2012 to 2019, the same sort of way you do the battery. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's quite easy. And also, we don't know why it died, but we're hoping it's an old battery. It's been on there for probably about 6-7 years, but we're hoping it's not the alternator because they're about £700. So yeah, let's see how this goes and let's get it done. So we've just gone for a normal Ford battery. We just got it from Ford Parts Direct. I always just think, just go for the same battery that was in there before, because obviously it's been in there for 7 years, so it's got to be okay. And pretty much everyone that's got one of these Fords have had an induction kit upgrade. So we've got the Ramfit air filter, but normally there's an air box in here that you have to take away. But I'm hoping, because I've got the Ram air filter, I don't have to take this off. But all we have to do is take these clips off here. There's one at the back as well. I don't know if you can see. There's one there. And then all we're going to do is take this off and them two off. And there's one right at the back as well. We're going to try to take off as well. And then we're hopefully going to be able to just slide it forwards and it'll be really easy. But we don't know. So right, we decided to take the Ram air filter off because when we take this terminal off, we have to lift this pack up and the battery slides this way. So make it easier for ourselves, we took the Ram air filter off. It's only a couple of screws, but everyone else has got different ones. They've got induction kits and they've got aftermarket ones, but the standard box is pretty much the same. It's a couple of screws here and there, and there's a couple ones there. So it's quite easy. But yeah, we're going to take this off now and hopefully it's quite easy. Cody, can I have the tool? And Cody's helping today. Ain't you, Code?
I want to help.
Yeah, no, you're helping.
I want to help now.
Okay.
I want to take gold.
Yep. So these are just 10 mils, so they're really easy to get off.
No, it's not.
It is 10 mil.
I should buy.
You actually did that, didn't you?
Yeah, I should. But I may fix some go-kart there.
Yeah, you fixed the go-kart.
Where's it, baby? I got no go there.
Right, so we just got that all off. It was only 10 mil, so you slid it off. There's a bolt on here, 10 mil, and then all I did was just put a flathead screwdriver just to lift it off because I couldn't get my hand on there because I've got quite fat fingers. And then all we've got to do is lift it out. So I'm just going to put that there for now and try to see if we can actually see what I'm going to do. It's a pain in the arse. Right, so we're going to try to lift this out now. So that was a bit of a pain in the arse. The clip's a bit of a pain in the arse, but we've got there. Just cleaned all the terminals and we're just going to screw them back in and then put that bracket on and then put the Ram air filter in and we're all done. Just these two and that's it. Just the Ram air filter. That was a bit of a pain in the arse. And I caught my hand on the bracket, of course. But yeah, that shouldn't take too long because that's quite an easy job. And we'll show you how to do that quickly. hopefully it's going to start, and we're not going to have any battery issues anymore, because that was really annoying to do. But on the Japanese cars, they're a lot easier to do. Literally normally just bolt it out straight out, but these are a bit of a pain in the arse to work on. But at least it's done, and hopefully you'll hear it start in a second. So fingers crossed, and I'll see you in a sec. As you can see, started up first time on the button, and it sounds sweet, as you can hear. And hopefully it's just the battery and not the alternator, but we're going to find out today if it starts draining the battery. But yeah, it's all working and it's all good, and Cody's loving it. Cody, happy? But thumbs up? Yeah, we got thumbs up from Cody. Are we going out in it? Yeah. So we're going to go for a little drive and see how it goes, really. And yeah, quite an easy job, so anyone can do that. Just 10mm spanner, and that is literally it, and maybe some blood. But we're all good. See you soon, guys.